Customer service is going to be a big part of Bobcat of McMinnville. Obviously, we're a new branch, we're learning our ways. We're going to focus on it in not only service, not only in sales, but the parts and rental as well. We want to help you, the customer. That's our goal. And we want you, the customer, to be successful. Because if you're successful as a customer, then we're successful as a dealership.
I am Travis Wanamaker. I'm with Dry Shave Mountain Nursery. It's a family business. My daddy started about 1984, 1985, and now me and my brother pretty well run the business, with daddy still very much involved as well. The service is a huge factor. I'd say it was probably the deciding factor for us to go with Bobcat, having it here in McMinnville close by. Good to work with. They're normal people, if you know what I mean. They can talk agriculture with us, and Justin and Steven both know how to talk agriculture, and it really makes my end a lot easier. I feel a lot more comfortable dealing with people who know agriculture.
With the new team that we've got assembled here, got Cole behind the counter, along with myself, to help you with your rental and your parts and getting your service tickets and stuff wrote up. We've got a great team in the shop, Kirk and TJ, amazing guys, very knowledgeable and very helpful with the customers. Customers absolutely love them. It's going to be service-oriented. You know, that's one thing I'm excited about being the new branch manager is even in the short period of time that we've already been here, we have customers that are already coming back and they're satisfied with what we've been doing. And just growing that is going to be critical to our success and the success of our customers.